What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As promised, if I could get my boss's permission, we were going to make some custom wrench holders with the plasma cutter for the toolbox. So let's jump into it, and I hope y'all enjoy. So we got our wrench holder, the outward facing wrenches that we made today at work. So let's get these wrenches out of here and test fit it. All right, so I cut out this piece right here for the wrenches to go right here in the center. I know I'm probably not going to be able to use all of it, but I made it where, I could cut off, whatever I don't need. So I just cut out one. So let's just stand it up and kind of see how the other wrenches play out. All right, we got it where we can fit all of our wrenches in here, but you can see we still got some open voids. And I would still like to try to fit my reversing ratcheting wrenches. So we might do a little bit of playing around and see if we can move some of these wrenches around to see if we can fit these as well. So let's take a look at it. All right, so we got most of our wrenches fit in here. I am gonna take the few big ones that we're not gonna use that often and put that in my other box. But the ones that we're gonna use a lot are right in here. And this looks like the setup to optimize our space. So I just need to take a measurement here so we can make some short wrench holders going vertically. And then I do need to, I can probably bring these a little bit closer together and then make these slots where these two sets will fit a little bit better here, and then I can bring these sets a little bit closer to give us enough room for everything to have enough space. But this definitely looks like what we're gonna go with, so we'll jump back on the computer and make up our wrench holders, and hopefully we'll be done with this soon. All right, so we got our new wrench holders that we cut out today at work. So let's get these fitted up, and hopefully this will be last iteration. Guys, I think that's gonna be it. I mean, this thing's fit really nice, and I'm kind of embarrassed. I miscounted my metric wrenches and I left out one slot. So I pulled the 9 out of here. So I don't know if I want to waste any metal. Might make another set if I can give this upper one to somebody else, and if they can use it, I might be able to make another one. But if not, the 9mm might just have to ride there or something, or I might kick out the 6mm. I don't know. We'll see. But everything else fits really nice, and I'm very satisfied. So we'll pull these out, throw a quick coat of paint on them, just black spray paint, and I think we might be done. All right, guys, there she is, all painted up, looking good. I did cut out another one of these upper ones to fit that wrench that I miscounted, so we got everything fitting perfect, and I am satisfied. I mean, guys, we got 71 wrenches in here, and not only 71 wrenches, I can grab any one of them without disturbing another one. So I mean, that's great. And we also cut out 2 little smaller ones to fit our really big wrenches in my other box, to get them nice and organized. So that looks pretty good as well. All right, guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I just wanna say I really enjoyed making these and going through all the iterations to make everything fit properly. And it looks like we did a pretty good job at it. And I wanna thank my boss for letting me use the CNC plasma cutter at work. I enjoyed doing that. So again, this is a US General 30-inch tool cart. With several different types of Gearwrench wrenches. And if you haven't seen my tool unboxing video for all of these tools, I'll have a link in the description below for that video, as well as at the end of the video. So drop a comment down below and let me know what y'all think of this. And hit that like button, subscribe if you are not already, and we will catch you on the next one.